Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we will actually share some beautiful cucumber plants with you guys. We are growing some in containers in our backyard and some in soil in our community garden plots. So we actually gonna share both and also what we think, like which one is better. Is going in the soil good or in containers better? So let's see. So as you can see, the plants in the container, they have flowers, and I believe there are one or two baby cucumbers as well. So not bad. You can grow cucumbers in containers. And we actually did not buy these plants. We are growing them from seeds. And I think we bought the seeds from Lowe's. So here is one cucumber. It's quite interesting, as you can see the spikes on its body. As the cucumber grow, I hope you guys know these spikes will actually go away. And there is another one. Growing cucumbers is quite interesting, but it can be frustrating sometimes, because last year we had a beautiful cucumber plant and it was growing well, giving lots of cucumbers, but then the rainy season started and somehow all the cucumbers they were, I don't know, crooked. They were not straight anymore. It was a disaster. So hopefully we will get some good cucumbers this year. So after cutting some of the leaves, so it's easier for the, I would say, the pollinators to see the flowers and do some good pollination. As you can see, the cucumbers, the flowers, although I do not see any bees yet, but they will be here soon, I guess. So I think I can see 3 of the cucumbers here. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our channel so we can share more gardening videos, product reviews, and also some interesting recipes with you guys. So you can also share our channel with other friends, families. It will be really helpful. So switching to cucumbers growing in soil, I would say the ones that are growing in soil grows faster. As you can see for yourself, the cucumbers are growing really big here comparing to the cucumbers growing in the containers. But those of us who are staying in apartments, sometimes it can be really hard to grow plants in the soil due to rules regulation of the apartment people. So I would say growing in containers can be a little bit slower, but not bad. So I'm just looking for more cucumbers. So my family and I, we love gardening in summer. And how about you guys? Why don't you share some of your gardening pictures with us or videos if you have your YouTube channel? I think sharing will be quite interesting. So subscribe to our channel and thank you for watching. Bye, have a great day.